Hi everyone, I'm Jeff with Phoenix Public Library, and we're going to do a little 5-minute STEAM challenge today. I hope you'll join me. I'm out here in my backyard, and I thought, what a wonderful opportunity to take advantage of the sun, and also, if you can hear the birds that are flying around and enjoying such a great day with me. Today, I thought, let's make a bird feeder, something that's really simple, something you can make from just about anything you want to recycle from your house. Today, I've got 2 ideas. I'll show you how to make one, but by all means, the challenge is for you to figure out yourself what you might be able to use around the house that the birds could enjoy. Hang it in your tree, and then you can have some fun watching it as they all gather and enjoy a great snack. What I've decided is there are 2 ways. I've got a little toilet tissue roll here that I put together very simply by putting a few holes in it, cutting it, and I put a skewer or a stick through because we want the birds to be able to come down and, of course, have a place to land. And then I put a little wire at the top to help it hang. Also, if you don't happen to have a skewer or even a chopstick, which I took a twig from a tree and cut that off, put that through in your toilet tissue roll, and then you'll have that. You can color and you can draw on it as well. I used a simple piece of wire. You could also use string, anything that will help it to hang up high. The other option besides the tissue roll is to use a pine cone, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So what I'm first going to do is I'm going to take a piece of simple wire. I have floral wire here, but you could use just any kind of wire, even some simple electrical wire that's got some bend to it. And I'm going to wrap it around the upside down pine cone so that we can have a nice tight fit so that the cone will not fall off and that we'll have something to hang. Now I've got my wire on. I can figure out how I want to hang it, but this is the supplies you're going to need. You're going to need a knife, a simple butter knife, some peanut butter. I have just a simple jar of plain peanut butter here. You don't need a lot. I took some popcorn that I have, or also I had some sunflower seeds and some ground up cornflakes, some cereal, anything you think the birds might like. Crumple it all into a platter like this. And what you're going to do is now you take the peanut butter and you're going to smooth it on the pine cone. Mom and dad, adults, this is really awesome because, as you can imagine, perfect for outside because it gets a little bit messy. I'm using a knife because I tend to be a neat guy, but you could use your fingers as long as you don't put them right in the jar. We don't want to encourage bad habits, right? So I'm just putting a little bit of peanut butter on. Once I get the peanut butter on, I'm going to roll it into my seed and cornflake and nut combination that I've come up with. And once I get that together, oh boy, actually my mouth's salivating a little bit because it's all stuff I eat. And there you go. You have a fantastic pine cone that you can hang in the tree branch and watch the birds come in and have a snack. Check it out. See if you can have some fun with your own ideas. This has been Phoenix Public Library and a simple STEM challenge.